My experience on this programme has been challenging, thought-provoking. I've looked at myself and how I behave and my previous beliefs and values, but it's been done in a very supportive way, enabled me to explore those areas. So I found it very beneficial, very exciting, and I look forward to the rest of the programme.
Really impressed with the trainer and the way he's got us to look at who we are, how we all are as human beings, and how we think and work and interact, and how we can help young people to live full lives. So yeah, it's been very insightful and very rewarding.
It's been far tougher than I thought it would be, but enlightening, good for my own personal development. I think the purpose of it is to learn to be a good life coach, but actually it's skills that will assist me in my own life as well.
Working with grit, it was something that I never heard before, so I didn't have, obviously I have some ideas about coaching, but I didn't really know what to expect. So this experience over the weekend, it was mind-blowing.
For me, the workshop was really good, very informative, and there was a fantastic energy to it.
Yeah, I'm probably saying it was the same as you. It was really high energy, and I think it's been a learning curve for me. I'm going to take a lot away from it, and I've given a lot to it as well.
Yeah, it's really made me think about how I interact with people, how I communicate, how I listen, which has been fantastic.
This is gonna change my mind.